This is a hotel review and a room tour of my stay at the Mantra in Albury. If you're planning to book this hotel and wondering what the room's like and if it's close to anything, then this review is for you. Hello, and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we stayed at the Mantra at Albury. We chose this hotel as we needed a pet-friendly room and we needed somewhere with parking as well. We all quickly checked in and then we headed straight up to our room. They only have a few specific dog-friendly rooms, so that's something to keep in mind if you're planning on bringing your pet with you. Firstly, the bathroom. I love that there was a hairdryer, some additional toiletries, and the fact that it was quite spacious too. The bathroom was also very clean and looked quite well maintained. The room had a microwave, a fridge, and a small coffee station as well. There was a large bed in the center of the room, and next to it was a cupboard with an ironing board and extra storage as well. This room didn't have a balcony, although it was pet friendly, and unfortunately the view wasn't that great, so we mostly just kept our windows shut. Next to the bed was plenty of additional power points as well, and I liked that there was USB points too. And of course, there was a large TV opposite the bed. The hotel had a few extra facilities as well. There was a sky lounge, a gym, and a restaurant downstairs as well. One of the reasons we picked this hotel was for its convenient location, and there was plenty of pubs and bars and restaurants and lots of little shops around just a few steps away from our hotel. We only had one night here, and it was definitely a very convenient stay, especially if you're planning to bring your pet along with you. I do have to say though, the pet rooms are limited, so you will need to check in advance, and they weren't as modern as other pet hotels that we've stayed in, so definitely keep that in mind. But overall, it was a very good stay, and I'd have no problem staying at the Mantra again. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at the Mantra in Albury. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.